Here are the couplers, guys. Finally got them. Absolutely wonderful, very good quality, and they've been crimped properly and the holes have been sealed so that there's no water ingress, because this is one which is a dummy just to cover the other one. This has 2 pins. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah, that's how it is. And that's how quick and good the fitting is, right? And you can press this release here and it comes out. So works nice. I just installed it in my car, had no problems at all. Just thought I'll show you what the couplers actually look like. So there it is, your engine start stop disabling coupler from Simply Jimny. Thank you.